We are going to discuss how to use Student View today. So you can go into any course that you are creating and are the instructor in to use Student View. And so here I am in one of the courses that we've used, and I'm an instructor in it. And so I'm going to come up here to the top right hand corner, and there is a Student View option. So I'm going to click that. And as you notice, some things change. There's not as many course navigation links here on the left. I don't have as many things on the right. What this does is put you in a view that your students would see. So when whoever is a student in this class, when they log into this class, this is what they would see. And so this is a great way to be able to see what your students would see without having to be a student, to make sure things are working. And so you can see here's the home page. I can go to modules, and I can see all the modules that have been published. And I can go through these as a student would and look at the pages and look at the assignments. Some things are not going to work particularly because you are not an actual student in the course. And so some things may give you an error message, but I can actually look at some of the assignments and the pages. And so like here, this is an action item with this discussion. I could do a test reply just to make sure things worked and what that looks like. And it comes up as test student. And then I can actually hit reset student. So what that means is like my test student account was reset successfully. So that takes away anything that I've done, that kind of thing. And so when I'm finished looking at all the things in Student View, I hit down here in the bottom, you have this pink band across the bottom. And so I hit leave Student View when I'm ready to exit that view and go back to my teacher view. So I'm going to, there we go. And now I'm back into my teacher view where I can edit. And that is what Student View does for you.